welcome and welcome back to my video. This is Pragati Mishra from Uttar Pradesh, and this is my new video where I'm going to ask one question. Okay, be ready. The question is, have you ever wondered why some people answer instantly in English and how they do so? So, my dear friends, those people who answer instantly in English, actually, they are not just smarter, okay? They train their brain differently. So, my dear friends, training your brain is very important. Along with your brain, train your mouth also. That's why I practice in front of camera. My today's video, let's talk about 5 simpler ways through which you can talk or answer instantly. The point number 1 is very important, that is start thinking in English directly. Okay, don't think in your native language, then translate it and then translate in English and at last start speaking. My dear friends, switch your mind directly into English language. Initially, it will be hard, but train your mind. What I'm saying is initially, train your mind. Thinking in English, very simple if you had practiced it alone so many times while doing your daily household activities. Think, think everything in your mind in English. And if you get time, talk to yourself in English. And that's how you can train your mouth to think in English, train your brain to think in English directly. And the point number 2 is, that is practice. My dear friends, we learn a lot of things. We learn thinking directly. But what happens if we don't practice? Okay, this will create a lot of problem. When we start speaking, our mouth will be like open close, but the real sound will not come out. That's why practice whenever you get time. And the third is, that is very important, is don't be afraid of mistakes. My dear friend, the word fear is very short, but the effect behind this is very large, which is very harmful. So fear, can we can overcome our fear just by increasing our confidence, and confidence will come only when we kept going. We can continue our communications. So to continue our communication, we should keep going and keep going in the way of speaking English. And this was point number 3. Now move to the point number 4, that is point number 4 is use ready-made phrases. For example, so many times we think we make sentences from zero, which takes time, and so many times our habit is actually like that, to make any sentences from very zero point. I will suggest you to I will suggest you to use ready-made phrases. For example, give me a second, let me think about it. That's right. Like this. These phrases are very powerful. Actually, I remember I made one short video on this also. So you can watch that short also. This was point number 4. Now move to the point number 4, that is regarding grammars. Yes, the fast speakers, you will wonder, and you can comment below if any query regarding this point. Okay, any fast speaker never overthink regarding grammar. They speak first, okay, then they accept their mistakes and learn from their mistakes. Okay, they don't think before speaking so much, like, is this tense is wrong, is this word is right. They train their mouth, they think directly in English and try to express themselves. In same way, I am trying to suggest you use this method and don't overthink grammar. If you want to learn deeply, The grammar you can read and learn, but also whatever you had learned till now, speak that, and don't overthink before speaking. If anyhow you made mistake, accept that mistake and learn from those mistakes. Okay, so this was point number 4, and hope you related with me. Actually, these all point which I noted down in a page, and that's how I'm sharing with you in a very shorted manner. So my dear friends, I right now, I if you have noticed any mistake or if you having any query, then you can comment below. And till then, take care and bye bye.